Good evening, everybody. So, for today's discussion, I have decided something different from what I discussed in my previous videos. Definitely, it is gonna something new and relevant to current news, right? Yes. So, thank you so much for coming here to listen me. I hope whatever I'm sharing with you all is not just helpful for me, because it is for me. Definitely, I am practicing my spoken English on daily basis, so that's gonna help me a lot. That is something very clear. But I want that there should be bilateral benefit. Why would you just listen to me for my own benefit? No, it should be mutual benefit, right? Yes. So because of this, uh, for today I have selected a topic which can be informative if you know if you are unaware of that, and even if you are aware of that. So I just want to share my opinion on that, right? So on this note, let's reveal that what we are gonna talk about in today's video. Okay. So as I have given a clue to all of you, that we are going to discuss something from current. Okay, what's gonna happening around the world, around us. Okay, so these days, if you follow the news, if you follow sports, you I'm very sure that you must have guessed it rightly, that what I'm gonna talk about. And if you don't, okay, let me tell you that in today's video I will be sharing with you my opinion about the Indian wrestler Vinesh Phogat's story. Okay. So, for those who don't know what is all this about, Vinesh Phogat is an Indian wrestler. She is a renowned wrestler, in fact. Okay, and yes, those who know already who she is. So, for them, let's proceed this discussion ahead. Okay, so what I'm going to tell you that see, if you are following the news, you must have know all these things, that Olympics are going on. Okay. This year Olympics were held, you know a contingent went from India as well, and Indian athletes performed very well, but we could not won the gold medal as we have expected from from few athletes, few sports person, right? So, but it was okay. Moving on, that why Vinesh Phogat is somebody we are discussing today, because her story is worth discussing at the very first place. Secondly, she is going through a worst phase, in my opinion, of her entire life till now. So let's start it from the scratch. Firstly, she born in Bhiwani district of Haryana, India. She born in 25th August 1994. Okay. So, and her name is Vinesh Phogat, and the surname Phogat belongs to basically uh, Jat community in North India, and particularly in Haryana, Rajasthan, in these states, right? And Jats are very famous for for wrestling, and yeah, she Vinesh herself is a very important part of wrestling prowess. So what happened with her this year? She is already a very successful wrestler, right? She already had won a lot of medals in her field, that is wrestling. And this year she went to Paris to participate in Olympics 2024. She enrolled, or she qualified herself under 50 kg category, okay, and where she could not fulfill the criteria. And I will tell you the whole story, and a very a very brief disclaimer I would like to add to the video, that yes, this video can be little longer than usual videos, and I hope that is not gonna bore you, because today's topic is something we can share, we can think as much as we can, because this is a story which is worth discussing, and we can we can even learn lot of things from her story, and we can also apply that to our stories as well. Anyways, yes, so her, first of all, let's talk about her sports career, okay? So she won her first gold medal in 2014, and subsequently in 2018 at Commonwealth Games, okay? Apart from this year she went, right, that I have already told you, and I will give you a background of wrestling if you are somebody who do not follow the news. So what happens, the athlete have to weight herself or himself twice, okay, one before the match, or the round, the real round, okay, and after that. So what happened is Vinesh Fogart qualified for finals very clearly, okay, and but when she was just qualified for final, before that she had to weigh herself, right, and she has enrolled herself in category 50 kg, and she weighed 53 kgs, okay, and wrestling is a sport which is very, what to say, very close to your weight, your fitness, although all the games involve fitness and activeness, right, but wrestling is something that mandated, okay. So she weighed 53 kgs, which was really terrifying, obviously, because it could change her career, and that happened as well, okay. And when she came to know that her weight is exceeding the limit, so for maintaining the weight criteria, she worked hard the whole night. She and her dietitian you know wholeheartedly tried, they left no stone unturned to bring her weight down to 50 kg, and they were actually successful in doing that, but just 100 grams they could not get down, okay. She did gymming all the night. She even cut her hair. She even donated her blood so that her weight could be get down for at least for some weight. She worked a lot. She followed swimming. She did everything that she and her dietitian could. But even after all the attempts, all the efforts, they could not succeed in bringing her weight down to 50 kg, and that was really, really heartbreaking. Because of that 100 grams, she disqualified. She was the number world wrestler. She had defeated the wrestler which has never ever defeated by anybody, but Vinesh Fogart did defeat her. I think no. Okay. So, and as Indians, we were very sure that Vinesh Fogart is gonna make us proud. She is gonna win a gold medal for India. But I think there is something, politics is also involved in her case. Okay, so for this purpose, I would have to go a little back. So what happens with her in 2023, as she is a wrestler, right? And not just a wrestler, a renowned wrestler. She was and is the inspiration, the guide, the mentor to hundreds to thousands of other wrestlers, okay, especially female wrestlers. So what happened in 2023, the Wrestling Federation of India, WFI, is an organization in India which leads the wrestling, okay, all over the wrestling in India, apex body for wrestling in India, okay. And her chief, the WFI's chief, was a person, obviously BJP's person, appointed by BJP, obviously the ruling party, okay. So he was not, to say, he didn't deserve the position. She was behaving very bad, to be say wrong, with female wrestlers. And when Vinesh Fogart came to know about this, from lot of female wrestling girls, okay, so she decided to raise a voice against her, and she did it. And even she knew this, that by doing this she is gonna stake her career, but she did it. And she protested, she did all what she could. But what happened with her, I'm very sure that you will be surprising after knowing this, that she got beaten up while she was protesting. Indian government was not supporting her at all. The ruling party has appointed the chairperson of the WFI, and she even pleaded to the ruling government, that please, that man is not the right person for this position. Please do something about this. He is harassing female wrestlers. Okay, so sexually harassment was something that he was accused of, and this is not something we can call just accusation. It was actually this, right? But government did nothing about this, and we are very surprised that in 2024, if she is losing her medal, she is losing the victory, there is something fishy in the whole story that is involved in this, okay, because she is a renowned, and she could maintain all these things, but something is made wrong in her strategy, in her, and that was intentionally, which means what I'm trying to say that in my opinion, he in the whole story of Vinesh Fogart, there is a political conspiracy against her. I won't be, specify anybody and who I am to specify after all. Okay, but why I'm discussing it with you? Just because she is Indian wrestler. We are Indians. We are very concerned about this, and after all, we are humans. We are, we have the right to share our opinions and ideas. Okay, so yes, this was that she could not win the gold medal for herself, for the country. But even after that, as we can understand that it was not her fault, it was not her, no, she is a very courageous, very motivated wrestler. And Paris Olympics is basically, Olympics is the dream of every sport person. And when she was at the peak of her career, she had to face this brutality from his own nation. What to say after this? So okay, I hope whatever I have said must have made sense to you. And if you agree with my opinion, what to say? I think we are on the same rope. And if you don't agree, if you if you don't see that political conspiracy or something fishy in the story, so I won't say nothing about this. It's your thought, it's your opinion, and nobody has the right to deny it. So please, no issue. I have shared what I think, what I could understand in the whole story. Yeah, so but as Indians, we have wished her very warmly that no, you aren't lost. Your victory, your victory, has been snatched. Your victory has been pulled, has been dragged. So even you didn't get the medal, you are a medalist, you are the winner. At least for Indians, at least for those who believe, who understand that yes, there is a conspiracy against her. Yes, so that was all that I wanted to share. I hope you like what I said, the way I said. Yes, so that was it for today. Now permit me to wind up this session here. Thank you so much for listening me, supporting me, and if you are a regular viewer of my videos, thank you so much. Really thank you. Yes, so here I would have to wind the session. Thank you so much for listening me till here. Bye bye.